is Sam, or Aki2000. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, and I don't really care who wins. I'm more excited for the Puppy Bowl and my junk food taste test. Today I'm going to taste many different junk foods, and I'm going to tell you which is the best and which is totally disgusting.
Here we go. Put on the mask.
I don't even know how. I'm just a derp not knowing how to put it on.
No. There's Velcro. Put on your mask.
Is this?
There we go. Perfect. Now, that's
The
first.
food baby. Ella. Goo. That's good.
Jelly bean, good.
I give it 8 dancing boobs out of 10 dancing boobs.
Put your blindfold back on.
Dancing. Give me something. This is what I got. Oh my god, yeah.
The Pop-'em is
Good.
perfect.
I give it 10 dancing boobs out of 10 dancing boobs for sure.
Totally disgusting.
0 dancing boobs out of 0 dancing boobs. Ow. Why do you do that? Give me the next one. Oh, wow. 5 dancing boobs out of 5 dancing boobs.
The Skittle has
gross.
5 dancing boobs.
I still have the whatever almond, I think.
Dark chocolate covered almond with sea salt.
Ew!
Totally.
I still have that stuck in my teeth.
Is that totally disgusting, Sam?
Yes!
Okay, here's this.
Well, you're not gonna troll me.
Green gummy.
Oh wow, that's really good. I give it 9.5 upside down dead goldfish with 10.5 upside down goldfish.
All right. Sam, take off the blindfold and declare which one was the winner.
I'm gonna have to say the orange jelly bean.
The orange jelly bean was the best, and what was the worst?
The almond!
There we go.
Yeah.
Sam,
Yeah.
finish your video.